Video number 252, angles of geometry, types of angles, angle calculations and definitions. Let's go ahead and take a look here. An angle is a piece of a circle which measures 360 degrees, which is the circle. The angles names each have 3 points where the point correcting both rays is called the vertex, okay? So the following names refer to the same angle. So you can call that picture there at the right, that could be called angle B. You could call it angle ABC, or you can call it angle CBA. Either way, the B is called the vertex. That's going to be in the center if you use all three. You also could sneak a 1 inside here and call it angle 1 if you wrote down a 1 in there. All right? Now, in this case, we would describe angle ABC as an acute angle because it measures less than 90 degrees. It measures less than a right angle, okay? And a right angle would be obviously the corner of a piece of paper. This measures 90 degrees, okay? So we obviously have something that is smaller than 90 degrees, so therefore we would call it acute, an acute angle, all right? Then, okay, we could say that that angle perhaps measures 20 degrees. If you had a protractor which measures an entire half circle of 180 degrees, we would see that the arrow is pointing, this line is pointing towards the 20. So we would call that a 20-degree angle in measurement. All right? And then obviously 18 of those would create a full 360 degrees. So therefore, you could see that we have 1/18 of a circle. So we would call it a 20-degree angle. All right? Another way we could name the angle, like we had mentioned, is call it angle 1. Now in this diagram, we're just simply going to show that, this bottom diagram, that you see, you can call the left angle angle 1, which by the way, this angle would be called an obtuse angle because it measures more than a right angle. So actually this one we could find out. We could find the measure of angle 1. That's what the M stands for, that's in front of there. Measure of angle FED. That would be 135 degrees because an entire half circle would be 180 degrees. Think about it. If a full circle is 360, 360, 360, half of it is 180. So these two angles put together would measure 180 degrees. So you just subtract 45 from 180 and bam, you would get 135 degrees. So this is the angles of geometry. We're going to continue with video 252. We're just going to go one page at a time. We'll see you in the next one.